Traveling in 2025? You might want to rethink what's in your bag. The TSA is cracking down on items you'd never expect. Let's dive into the top 10 everyday items that could get you flagged at security. Protein powder and pancake mix. Bringing your favorite protein powder or pancake mix for a quick breakfast or gym routine? Think again. TSA now considers powders over 12 ounces, approximately 350 milliliters, as potential chemical threats. That means your neatly packed protein shake, pancake mix, or even baby formula could trigger extra screening. Imagine standing in line while security slowly inspects every scoop you've packed. It's more common than you think. Even unlabeled powdered drink mixes, hot cocoa packets, or flour can cause delays. TSA agents have discretion, meaning what passes with one traveler may get flagged for another. Tip: keep powders under 12 ounces, label them clearly, and separate them in bins. Pre-portioning into smaller containers can save time and reduce stress at checkpoints. If you travel frequently, consider TSA-approved powder containers or individually sealed packets. Being organized not only speeds up screening, but also helps avoid accidental confiscation, ensuring your travel plans stay uninterrupted. Incense, herbal powders, and spiritual items. For those who travel with incense, herbal powders, or ritual items like sage, be extra cautious. Even though these are harmless, they can look suspicious in scanners. TSA flags powders because they can be flammable, chemically reactive, or simply unidentified if unlabeled. Cultural or religious items aren't exempt. Travelers carrying ritual powders, sand from spiritual sites, or herbal mixes for meditation have reported delays or confiscations. Tip: pack these items carefully, label them clearly, and always keep them in your carry-on. Declaring them up front can save you from a lengthy inspection. If you have large amounts or unusual containers, consider transferring items into clear, resealable bags. Being proactive makes all the difference and can prevent unnecessary stress while still respecting your personal practices. Reusable water bottles with hidden compartments. Sustainability is in, but hidden compartments in reusable water bottles are out. Pill holders, stash compartments, or detachable bases can instantly raise alarms. TSA doesn't separate legal from suspicious. If it looks like it could hide something, it could be confiscated. Even if your intentions are harmless, these bottles can slow down lines and even cause your entire carry-on to be searched. Tip: stick to simple, clear bottles without extra compartments. Make sure they're empty before passing through security. If you're traveling with kids, avoid novelty bottles with false bottoms or storage sections. A clear, single-compartment bottle will get you through faster than a high-tech, suspicious-looking alternative. Remember, appearances matter to TSA scanners more than your intentions. Medications with certain ingredients. Some prescription medications are now under closer scrutiny. Sleep aids like Ambien, anti-anxiety medications, and painkillers containing codeine are flagged more often than before. Even certain over-the-counter allergy pills or herbal supplements have caused travelers problems. Don't risk having your essential medications confiscated or delayed. TSA wants to ensure all medicines are legitimate and properly labeled. International travelers may face stricter checks depending on the country of entry. Tip: always travel with original prescription bottles, copies of prescriptions, and a doctor's note if necessary. Keep medications organized in a separate pouch or bag for easy access. Transparent packing and honesty with TSA agents can prevent misunderstandings, ensuring you don't miss crucial doses while traveling. DIY snacks/food and foil wraps. That homemade burrito or chocolate wrap treat? TSA sees aluminum foil as a problem because it blocks X-ray scanners. Opaque wrapping can make even harmless food items appear suspicious, leading to extra screening or confiscation. Dense foods like sandwiches, burritos, or protein bars wrapped in foil can trigger a full bag search, potentially making you miss your flight. Tip: use clear plastic wrap, Tupperware, or parchment paper for TSA-friendly packing. Label your food if possible. Separating different items in small containers also speeds up inspection. Simple changes in how you pack can prevent unnecessary delays and ensure your snacks reach your destination intact. Camping gear and tent stakes. Camping fans, pay attention. Certain camping tools, tent stakes, small stove adapters, and fuel canisters are flagged as dual-use tools. Even ultralight stoves with seemingly harmless components have been confiscated. Fuel, pressurized gas, and sharp implements are common culprits. If you're carrying gear for outdoor adventures, don't assume TSA will overlook it. This can be especially tricky for last-minute travelers flying with compact camping kits. Tip: ship gear ahead, buy locally at your destination, or remove restricted components. Always avoid carrying fuel, flammables, or pressurized gas in your carry-on. Use TSA-approved cases for small tools and stakes, which makes inspection faster and safer. Proper planning ensures your adventure starts smoothly without security hiccups. External laptop batteries, power banks, and spare laptop batteries are also under scrutiny. Batteries over 100 watt-hours, WH, require airline approval. Anything over 160 watt-hours is banned. TSA doesn't calculate WH for you. They expect travelers to know their battery specs. Power banks, backup laptop batteries, or any external battery can slow your check-in if they exceed limits or aren't in compliance. Tip: always carry power banks in your carry-on. Check labels for WH and calculate if necessary. Consider registering larger batteries with your airline beforehand. This prevents delays and protects against confiscation, especially on long-haul or international flights. Batteries in personal electronics, non-standard lithium batteries in electric razors, toothbrushes, or hair clippers can also be confiscated, especially older or imported models that don't show watt-hour info. Even harmless grooming tools have led to delays because TSA can't verify compliance quickly. Travelers have reported issues with spare batteries for drones, cameras, or handheld gaming devices, which can be mistaken for oversized or unsafe power sources. Tip: carry backup batteries in your carry-on, ensure they meet airline specifications, and avoid packing them in checked luggage. Keep original packaging, instruction manuals, or label information handy. When in doubt, check the manufacturer's website for FAA airline compliance. Proper organization and awareness can save significant time at security and prevent confiscation of essential electronics. Toys that look like weapons. Family trips can hit a snag if you're traveling with toys. Plastic swords, toy guns, lightsabers, foam nunchucks, and action figures with removable weapons are all flagged. TSA's rule is simple: if it resembles a weapon, it will set off alarms. Even harmless toys shaped like military gear or fantasy weapons have caused full bag inspections, delaying families and causing stress. Tip: leave toy weapons at home or choose alternatives that don't resemble real-world weapons. Opt for soft, flexible, or small toys that clearly can't be misinterpreted. Consider digital games, coloring books, or puzzles instead. Being cautious ensures a smooth journey, keeps your kids entertained, and prevents unnecessary scrutiny at security checkpoints. Luggage with non-removable batteries. Modern smart luggage is convenient, but non-removable lithium-ion batteries are banned, even in checked baggage. Fire risk in cargo holds is the main reason. Popular brands like Away and Samsonite have redesigned models, but older luggage may not comply. Travelers have reported last-minute confiscations of luggage even if the bag looked brand new, simply because the battery couldn't be removed. Tip: check your luggage battery. If removable, carry it in your carry-on. If not, consider alternatives or temporarily remove the battery. Inspect manufacturer guidance for airline compatibility and keep documentation handy. Planning ahead can save both your luggage and your trip, preventing stressful delays or costly surprises at the airport. Bonus: overstuffed bags. Even if your bag meets TSA size limits, overstuffing can cause it to fail the fit test. Bulging zippers, external attachments, pillows, blankets, and hanging tech can all cause issues. Some travelers have had to pay up to $90 in last-minute fees to check oversized carry-ons. Tip: zip expansion panels, detach extra items, and test the bag at home. Avoid last-minute panic and keep your carry-on compliant. A neat, well-packed bag not only speeds up security but reduces travel anxiety. Outro: traveling in 2025 requires more preparation than ever. By understanding TSA rules and packing smart, you can save time, money, and frustration at security checkpoints. If you found these tips useful, hit like, share your own travel hacks in the comments, send this to a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips. Safe and stress-free travels.